everyone, the best thing about summer is mangoes and of course ice cream. So today let's make a sugar-free mango ice cream. To make this you need 4 ripe mangoes which are chopped, peeled and frozen for 2 to 3 days, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of monk sugar. This is a 0-calorie sweetener. You could use Splenda or regular sugar or totally skip it if you have very sweet mangoes. And half a cup of milk. You could use dairy-free options as well or vegan milk. Next, take a blender and add all the ingredients one by one. Add half the milk, don't add all of it. We want to slowly add this milk so you get the required texture. Now let's blend it together. Add some more milk and blend again. This is the kind of texture you are looking at. And now we'll pour it into a setting dish. Cover this with a cling film and refrigerate for 3 hours before it's ready to use. The ice cream has been freezing for 3 hours and now we can take it out and remove. Look at that. Let's scoop out some ice cream.